My alarm system is showing that Zone 6 is open, even though our house is closed up tight. Because of this, we are not able to set our alarm. Let's fix it. Now when I open this cover, I can see that Zone 6 is the street bedroom. Of course, I want to go to this bedroom and make sure all the windows are closed. Sometimes simply opening them and closing them again can realign things enough to get it working again. But since that didn't help, it means that one of my sensors in the bedroom windows is not functioning. There's no good way to know which window to start with, so you just have to pick one. Let's start by removing the sensor from the window. These pry out. If you are unable to pry it out, and you know it's bad, I've been able to get pesky ones out by drilling a screw into it and then pulling it out with a claw hammer. Once out, I cut the sensor off and splice the wires together. To splice them, I simply strip the insulation back and then I wrap the two wires together. If this was my bad window, once spliced together, the zone should show closed on my alarm keypad. If your keypad still shows the zone open, you may have multiple windows or doors in your zone. Leave this connected together and move on to the next window or door and repeat the exact same steps. Don't worry, once you've found the correct bad sensor, you can simply reinstall the old one at the first window or door by reconnecting the wires either using a soldering iron or tightly wound electrical tape. Or your kit, like mine, may come with multiple sensors and you can update all of them. Once you've found a sensor that you bypass and it closes the zone on the alarm pad, now you can begin installing your new sensors. In my case, the old sensors only had 2 wires and the new ones had 3. Since mine didn't include any instructions, I decided to use trial and error to figure out the correct wiring. I simply twisted the wires together using different configurations until I found the one where the sensor worked correctly. Remember, for the sensor to show closed, it must be next to the other half of the sensor located in your window or door. White and brown ended up being the winning combination. Once I have the wiring confirmed, I can install things permanently. I chose to solder the wires together because there is limited space and I wanted to make sure they wouldn't come undone. But you could twist them together and tightly wrap them with electrical tape. Then softly bang the new sensor into its home. Now it's all fixed. I hope this little video helped you. If it did, please help my little family by clicking that subscribe button. I appreciate you.